everyone, my name is Lena Nguyen. I'm a family law attorney licensed in Texas and California. Today I'm going to help you understand the summer portion of the Texas Standard Possession Order. In divorces involving children, a visitation schedule for each parent's time with their children is included in the final decree of divorce. Some terms often used interchangeably are custody, possession and access, and visitation. They all mean the same thing. Texas has what is called a standard possession order that serves as a guide in dividing parenting time, and it is ordered effective by judges when couples cannot come to an agreement on a visitation schedule. The section of the standard possession order I received the most questions on is the summer portion of the order. The following is a breakdown of the summer possession schedule for couples that reside less than 100 miles apart. So here's a breakdown for the non-custodial parent. That's the parent with the visitation rights. They'll get 30 days of their choice in the summer, in addition to the first, third, and fifth weekends of every month. The 30 days that they choose can be broken up into two periods of at least 7 days each. They have to designate their 30 days by April 1st, and the method of notice is usually determined in the final decree of divorce or an order, and it's usually written. They must designate by April 1st, and if they don't designate by April 1st, the default is July 1st through July 31st. And also, if they're the father, they get Father's Day, and if it's a same-sex couple, then they can come to an agreement on that. And the breakdown for the custodial parent is as follows. If they're the father, they get Father's Day, and again, if it's a same-sex couple, an agreement can be made. So the custodial parent also gets to choose 2 weekends that would originally belong to the non-custodial parent. Only one of the weekends can be inside of the 30 days that is chosen by the non-custodial parent, and they have to designate this weekend that is inside the 30 days by April 15th, and the method is usually determined in a final decree of divorce or an order, and they must give 14 days advance notice for the other weekend of their choosing. And here's an example of what that all means. If the non-custodial parent has an extended summer possession from July 1st through July 31st, the custodial parent can choose to have the child or children one weekend in July. The custodial parent must give the other parent notice by April 15th. In addition, the custodial parent can choose to have the child or children one weekend in either June or August that would otherwise belong to the non-custodial parent. For this weekend, the custodial parent must give 14 days notice. Thank you so much for following along. I hope this helped you better understand the summer portion of the Texas Standard Possession Order. If you have any questions or topics you would like me to answer, please email me and I'll be sure to get to it in a future blog post, video, or podcast. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free self-help divorce kit, please check the description box below to sign up.